In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 1099 form on QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll have 1099 tracking turned on, your vendors set up properly, your expense accounts mapped to the right 1099 boxes, and you'll know how to review, file, and save your forms with confidence. First, enable 1099s in your company file so QuickBooks knows you plan to file. Open QuickBooks. Desktop, go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Tax, 1099. Under Company Preferences, select Yes, I file 1099 MISC forms, and click OK. This unlocks 1099 tools and ensures your reports and filing workflow are available. Next, mark each eligible vendor. Go to Vendors, then Vendor Center, and pick the vendor you want to track. Click Edit Vendor, open Tax Settings. Check Vendor Eligible for 1099, enter the vendor's tax ID or SSN and click OK. Only vendors with this box checked are included in 1099 reporting, so make sure this step is complete. A quick tip: request a Form W-9 from each contractor to confirm legal name, address, and taxpayer ID before filing. Now map the account so payments land in the correct 1099 boxes. Return to Edit Preferences, Tax 1099, and Company Preferences, then click 1099 Account Mapping. Match your expense accounts to the correct boxes. For example, map non-employee compensation to your contractors or services paid account, and map rent to your rent expense account. Click OK. Only amounts posted to these mapped accounts will appear on the 1099, so double check you're mapping the accounts you actually use. Enter payments the right way so they're captured. Use write checks, pay bills, or enter bills and then pay. When you code the expense, choose the same expense account you mapped to a 1099 box. Also confirm that total payments to a vendor for the calendar year exceed $600. As context, payments made by credit card or certain third-party networks are typically reported by those processors, not on 1099 MISC, so QuickBooks may exclude them automatically. Before filing, review your totals. Go to Reports, Vendors, and Payables and open the 1099 summary. Verify which vendors are included, confirm the amounts, and make sure each total appears in the correct 1099 box. Think of this as your preview. If something looks off, revisit vendor eligibility, account mapping, or expense coding.